Hey guys, in today's video, you'll learn how to connect OpenClaw to WhatsApp and run it with a local Ollama model so you can chat with your own AI assistant directly inside WhatsApp. OpenClaw makes this really easy by giving us a built-in WhatsApp channel. Let's start by opening the command prompt. First, you need to make sure OpenClaw is already installed. I have already made a full video on the initial OpenClaw setup and how to use its gateway UI to chat with the bot. So be sure to check that out if you haven't yet. We can quickly check if it's installed by running OpenClaw version. As you can see, it's already installed in my case. Next, we will run OpenClaw onboard install daemon. This command starts the setup wizard and installs the background service. Just proceed with yes. For the onboarding mode, select Quick Start. When it asks for the model or auth provider, since we are using Ollama locally, we can just click Skip for now. Then for models by provider, go ahead and select all providers. When it asks for the default model, choose Enter Model manually. The format here needs to be Ollama / followed by your model name. You can use any model you like, such as Quen 2.5, but I will be using GLM 4.7 Cloud. If you don't have it yet, you can easily get it by running Ollama pull GLM 4.7 Cloud in another terminal. Now it will ask us to select a channel. We will choose WhatsApp. OpenClaw will ask if we want to connect via QR code. So proceed with yes, and it will generate a QR code right here on the screen. To connect it, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, select Link Devices, tap Link or Device. This will open your camera scanner. I will go ahead and scan mine right now. So the scan is successful and it will be linked after restart. Now it's asking us for WhatsApp phone setup. We can proceed with personal phone number and include your WhatsApp number. For now, we can skip the skills. We can also skip the hooks. So now the onboarding is complete and it automatically opened the gateway URL in our browser. But right now it says the site can't be reached. This is because our gateway service isn't actually running yet. So to fix this, we can just run OpenClaw gateway port 18789 to start it manually. You can see in the logs that our model GLM 4.7 cloud is connected. Now if we go back to the browser and refresh the page, our OpenClaw control UI loads up perfectly. Then in the channel section, you can see that our WhatsApp is connected successfully. Now you could just pull out your phone and text from the WhatsApp app. But to make this easier to see for the demo, I am going to open WhatsApp Wave and send a test message from here. Since we connected our own number, we can just use the message yourself chat in our WhatsApp. Let's start by simply texting Hi OpenClaw. Notice we got an unauthorized error. This happens because we are using GLM 4.7 Cloud, which is a cloud-based model that requires us to be authenticated with Ollama. To fix this, let's open a new terminal and run Ollama sign in. This will automatically open a page in our browser. We can log in with Google, and when it asks back to connect our device, just click connect. Now the connection is successful. Let's go back to WhatsApp and text hello one more time. And there we go. You can see we successfully got a response from OpenClaw. This message history is also saved in our OpenClaw dashboard. If we go to the chat section and switch to our phone number, we can view the entire conversation right here. Now let's ask some more useful question like explain Docker in simple words. As you can see, it gave us a great breakdown of Docker, its uses and key benefits directly inside WhatsApp. And just like before, this is instantly reflected in our OpenClaw dashboard. And that wraps it up. In today's video, we successfully set up OpenClaw, connected it to our WhatsApp using a QR code, and ran an Ollama model to get real-time AI responses right on our phones. Thank you guys for watching this video.